Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house. And today I've got a couple of Shirogorov here with me for a quick comparison review, but hey, don't forget to like the video and to subscribe to the channel if you're enjoying this kind of content here. So let's see what we have here, because we have two pretty classic Shirogorov knives. This is the F95R Slim, and this is the F95 Slim Nudist. So very, very similar knives, of course, guys. There's just a couple of minute differences here to point out, and probably you have been used to see this guy over here alongside the Neon Zero in my size comparison. So this was the couple for Shirogorov, and now I'm just gonna change things a little bit. So I'm gonna have this guy alongside the R20. So these are going to go. And as well as this one, but here we are talking about these two and why I want to keep this one. So basically, a couple of reasons. I mean, I love both of them. They are fantastic knives. But this guy has something that I made me say, you know what, let's just sell this one and keep this one. Let's see the differences, because these are both Neon Slim. So, sorry, F95 Slim. So scales are the same thickness, the stock is the same thickness, so it's not like an F95, it's just like a slimmer version of the same knife. Also, if you check these scales, of course, you're gonna notice that you have some milled lines over here, like Tron kind of style, and this is just like a plain Jane, classic, smooth, nothing going on, just very, very simple. On this side, you have the bear on the right of the pivot. On this one, you have it on the left side. The flipper tab is exactly the same. The chamfering is absolutely identical. You have one little difference in the clip, because you have one chamfer here with one line like that, which is here, and here you have another line right over there, so just a minor difference. Another one is that you have a cutout, kind of thin cutout, like a milled area, like with a small depression like here, whereas here you just don't have anything. It's just flush like that, and I much prefer this one right there. Of course, you have the internal release for the lock bar for both. It's same thing. Jimping is the same. Swedge is the same. The clip is designed the same. In the same way. So there's not really much going on as far as the differences are concerned. So really pretty much the same knife, same screws. The blade is different. This guy is M390 steel, and this is Vanax 37. This is a super clean steel, and also I'm keeping this because of the rarity of this very knife. You don't see very often Vanax 37 on an F95 Slim Nudist, so I think that has also a little bit more wow factor than this, of course, gorgeous F95R Slim. And if we are gonna check the weight, for example, of the R Slim, which is internally skeletonized, there's some internal milling going on. It's fantastic. It's just gorgeously, look, 4.45 ounces as opposed to the 4.30 ounces of this guy. So this is lighter. I don't know, I didn't weigh the scale, so I'm assuming, yeah, there must be some weight reduction coming from the milling of these lines, but I'm assuming also the steel might have some impact in the weight reduction. It's, you know, 0.15 ounces less, so can't really tell, but it's there. So if there's gonna be like a competition, this guy's gonna win, because it's different, it's a little bit rarer, nicer steel in my opinion, but I mean, they're both fantastic steels, and it's has a little bit more character than this one. Action is the same. Sound, it's a little bit different, but very, very similar. So, I mean, you can't really go wrong with any of these guys, but I think this guy has a little bit the edge over this one. Let me know in the comments what you guys think, and thanks for watching, and stay tuned.